Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to turn off tips and tricks on the application of Grab. To know how to turn off push notification of tips and tricks on the application of Grab, you should just go to the app of Grab as you see and you will click. After that, in this page, you will go down to click in this window of account. When you'll find this list, you will enter to this window of settings. Then in this page, you will enter to communications. After that, you will go to this sign. If the sign changed, then you can know how to turn off push notification of tips and tricks on the application of Grab. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.